The drill isn't useful to anyone if they don't have the right drill bits to make it work. That is why today's video is going to be about what you can do if you do not have any drill bits but need one for whatever you are doing. Drill bits come in all kinds of sizes, and sometimes you might not have the right size you need for a situation. For times like these, you can use screws to create DIY drill bits that will come in really handy. We will show you how in this quick video. First of all, you are going to need to cut the head off of the screw you want to use as the drill bit. We have 4 different kinds of screws here, of different sizes. You can use any particular size depending on your specific needs. Once you know what screw to use, get a bench vise and stick the screw inside of it so that only the head is sticking out. Then, you can use any saw or blade sharp enough to cut the head off clean. That is how you can get rid of nail heads with the help of a blade. Do this for 2 more nails of the same kind to follow this method. Now that you have gotten rid of the nail heads, you're one step closer to completing this DIY method. The next step is to hold 3 nails together and tie them together with cable ties, like we are doing here. Make sure that you place one tie at the top and one at the bottom. That way, they will be evenly placed instead of spreading out at one point from the top or the bottom. Now that we are done with this, we will show you a practical example of just how useful these DIY drill bits can be. You can see how well connected the nails are to the drill now. You can now use them to make a hole wherever you want.
Morning, sunshine.
We will use a small piece of wood to give an idea of how effective this can be. Place the drill where you want to make a hole, like we have. Then, start the drill on a low speed. Look at how easy it was for us to make a hole in this piece of wood using the drill bit that we made. You can use any type of screw or use more of them to make a larger hole, or less of them to make a smaller hole. We hope that this DIY method was able to help you out, and that you liked the video.